I have been needing one of these for so long, and I'm so happy I finally got one of these things. And what I'm going to do, this is made for blowing up your air mattresses, or, you know what, they say you can blow up a kayak with it, but good luck with that. It's got vacuum bags. It's got double inflatable mattresses, single mattresses, and swimming pool rings. And then looking at it, it kind of gives you the different times. You know, time approximately 40 seconds on a ring, 75 seconds on an air mattress, which is what I'm going to be using it on the most. And the double air mattress, 240. And I'm going to use it on a single and show you how it works. 330 seconds on a kayak. And then vacuum bag, 30 seconds. How about that? And let's just kind of like go over the outside. The weight on this thing is 158 grams. The volume is 51 and 73 millimeters, whatever that means. That must be the volume of air that it's putting out. And then looking at inflation pressure is 4.8 kPa, and then 0.7 psi on high-speed mode. Default mode is 0.36 psi. Filling speed, you know, 350 milliliters per minute on high speed, on high mode that is. Filling time 64 minutes. Light duration. This has a little light on it. That is cool. 17 hours, 3,600 milliamp battery. So actually, let me show you the connectors with it first. First, you get a small nozzle that's good for swimming rings, inflatable toys, airbed nozzle, 22 millimeter, one Boston valve, which is a 17.5 millimeter nozzle, and then a combination, basically for an outdoor cushion. Let's just open this thing up and let me show you what it is. Very nicely packaged here. You get a little bag with it. You get a nice little lanyard. How cute is that? USB-C charging cable, little nylon bag. All of your fittings are connected into one. So it looks like you have one. You have one, and then 2, 3, 4 nozzles. 4 different nozzles right there, and then the unit itself. And look how small this thing, look at that, there's my hand. Look how small that thing is. This thing is awesome looking. You put the little lanyard ring right there, and to turn the light on, you're gonna hold down this, and I think the light will just pop on. Double tap it. So it's a double tap. The light pops on. Nice little light that can be used as a lantern, as a backup. Wouldn't use it completely as a lantern, but it'll also help you kind of like getting around. It's got a USB-A, so it's got an output, 5-volt output, so you can charge your cell phone or anything like that with this thing, and a USB-C input, so 5-volt output, 5-volt input, 2 amp on both of them. So double tap it. There's once. That's the default right there on the fan. It's a pretty powerful little fan. Hit it again. I definitely heard it ramp up. That thing's got a lot of power to it. There you go. And then hit it once again and it turns off. Let me take it outside, grab an air mattress, and let's inflate something. Let's see how this thing works. So let's do that now. Okay, so I have my air mattress here. Let's go ahead and take this out. The type of fitting that this thing has on it right here. So what I'm doing is lay the air mattress out. Let's get our little bag of a pump and stuff here. So to put the nozzle on there, you're just gonna basically twist it down like that right there. The nozzle is on there. Start this thing up. It pops down in place like that. Look at how quickly it's already inflating this. That's fast. Look at that, everybody. Already, I've almost got a full bed. It's done. Now, as it's done, I can feel that it's doing some back pressure on there. So I lost a little bit of air. Check that out. That thing's tight. That air mattress is ready. This thing works awesome. I highly recommend this thing. This will be something I carry on my travels everywhere I go. I like the little lanyard to it. I can hang it up as a light. Got the bag, everything I need right here in this nice little package. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today in the mini air pump light. See you on the next video.